Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to migrate servers in Call of Dragons. Whether you want a fresh start, better alliance or more competitive environment, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, Step 1. Open the world map, zoom out and look for the globe or server icon. Step 2. Select your target server, browse available servers. Some may be locked or restricted depending on your account level. Step 3. Check server status. Make sure the server is open for migration and fit your needs. Look at activity, alliance, and power rankings. Step 4. Tap Migrate. Once you have chosen your server, hit the Migrate button. Step 5. Confirm requirements. The game will show you what you need, like tokens or condition. If everything checkouts, confirm the transfer. Step 6. Complete migration. After confirmation, your account will move to new server. This usually happens instantly or within a short time. Here are the few important tips before you migrate. Leave your alliance before migrating. Use of access resources if there is a cap. Shield your city if needed. Coordinate with friends or alliance in the target server. Pick the server that matches playstyle, casual versus competitive.